Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I saw this at Dollar Tree and I thought it was so cute. It's a little tote canvas bag. So I'm going to turn it into a pillow. I thought that would be so cute, and I saw somebody else do this online and it looks super easy. So let's try it. Just cutting the little tags off. This is so cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is it has like a little handle. I'm going to cut the handles off, and then I'm going to put the filling inside. And then of course I had to do the no-sew. So we're going to use super glue. Okay, let's do this first. But they're really cute. They had like 4 or 5 different ones that were really cute. At least I saw some online that were super cute. The ones in the store, there's only 2 that were super cute. So go ahead. Okay, let's get this stuffing out. Okay. And then I can always, you know, like do something, some vinyl or something on the other side. Okay, so just do it that way. And then I'm going to glue this first. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue this first. You see what I'm doing? Okay. I'm going to close it. Just hold it for a second and then put the mini clips on until it dries. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same here. It's hard to try to do it in front of the camera. I'm trying to slide it. Okay. Okay, so I just finished with the glue gun, and then I have these little clips on it, and I'm going to give it about 5 minutes to dry, and then I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Okay, isn't this so cute? Can you see that? Let me move this up a little bit. This is so cute, and it took me what, 5 minutes to make. It's so cute. Tell me what you think.